हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सभी। मैं मनीष मिश्रा आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल अनअकैडमी गेट MEPIXC पे। दोस्तों, ये एक सीरीज है, मिनी क्वेश्चन सीरीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर, जो कि गेट 2021 में पूछे गए थे। आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड 4 वीडियोस इन दिस सीरीज एंड दिस इज द 5th वीडियो एंड बेसिकली आई एम कवरिंग every question that came in gate 2021 in the subject of manufacturing. So let's start the video. For those who do not know me, let me just introduce myself. My name is Manish Mishra. I secured an All India rank of 568 in GATE 2015, and since then I'm teaching for GATE and ESE. I have a cumulative experience of 5 years now in this field, and the subjects that I primarily take are manufacturing science, industrial engineering, operations research, as well as material science. दोस्तों, मैंने इसी YouTube चैनल अनअकैडमी गेट MEPIXC पे एक दूसरी सीरीज स्टार्ट की है, दैट इज कार्स एक्सप्लेन्ड। कार्स एक्सप्लेन्ड सीरीज के अंदर मैं छोटे छोटे 10 मिनट की वीडियोस के हेल्प से आप लोगों को कार्स के बारे में पूरी जानकारी देने की कोशिश करूंगा। आई विल क्रिएट अराउंड 100 वीडियोस इन दिस सीरीज, and if you have not yet watched it, I would recommend that you go and check out the playlist on this very YouTube channel and enjoy these videos. जो लोग डेडिकेटली गेट 2022 या ESE 21 या ISRO 21 के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं एंड दे डू नॉट हैव इनफ resources for support, I would recommend you go on and download the Unacademy Learning app और स्पेशल क्लासेस की कैटेगरी में जाकर आपको इतना कंटेंट मिलेगा कि आपको लगेगा यार काश पहले पता होता। सो स्पेशल क्लासेस ऑन अनअकैडमी पर ही मैंने भी इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग एंड ऑपरेशंस रिसर्च के ऊपर एक कोर्स स्टार्ट किया है। कंप्लीट कोर्स रहेगा ये, जहां पर मैं कंप्लीट सिलेबस को कवर करूंगा विद क्वेश्चंस एंड एवरीथिंग। दिस सीरीज हैज स्टार्टेड ऑन 4th of March and I go live daily at 11 AM. Just remember, when you will download the Unacademy Learning app, you will be using the referral code MMM10 so that you can unlock your free plan on the Unacademy Learning app. अगर आप एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा जा सकते हैं एंड यू कैन मेक इन्वेस्टमेंट in part of your career, I would highly recommend you go and take the Unacademy Plus subscription, where you will be getting all the benefits of live classes, crash courses, weekly test, doubt solving sessions, English Hindi batches, as well as rank improvement batches. If you can afford, then go on take the Iconic subscription, where you will be getting all the benefits of Plus subscription, and along with that, Unacademy will be providing you the personal coach who will be helping you plan your study sessions. You will be getting study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, as well as preparatory study material. So guys, this is the question on your screen right now, and the question is from orthogonal machining. So it says that in a pure orthogonal turning by zero rake angle single point carbide cutting tool, so 0 degree rake angle tool has been used and we are performing a pure orthogonal turning operation. The shear force has been computed to be 400 Newton. So one more data is given, that is they have given us the value of shear force. If the cutting velocity VC is equal to 100 meter per minute, so cutting velocity has been given, depth of cut, feed has been given, and the chip velocity has also been given, then what will be the shear strength of the material? बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, डायरेक्टली अपन इसको एक रिलेशन के हेल्प से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। वी नो दैट shear strength is equal to shear force multiplied by sin phi divided by feed into depth of cut. This is the relation for shear strength when orthogonal turning operation is being performed. ठीक है ना? So orthogonal turning में this is the relation for shear strength. Now as I can see that 3 of the components have been given to us. They have given us the shear force, that is 400 Newton. They have given us the feed, that is 0.1. They have given us the depth of cut. So these 3 parameters are known. We only have to calculate the value of phi. तो phi निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? phi निकालने के लिए we have been given the cutting velocity as well as the chip velocity. तो जल्दी से इसको यूज कर लेते हैं। We know that V chip by VC is equal to chip thickness ratio R, and V chip has been given to us as 20, VC as 100, so R is 0.2. So once R is calculated, rake angle has been given to us as 0 degree. Rake angle 0 degree दिया हुआ है, तो I can use the relation tan phi is equal to R cos alpha divided by 1 minus R sin alpha. So alpha has been given to us as 0, R we have calculated as 0.2. So phi will be coming out as कितना आ रहा है 11.3 degrees. So phi is coming out as 11.3 degrees. This is the value of phi. Now I'm going to just simply keep the value of phi here. So this will become Fs, that is 400 Newton multiplied by sine 11.3 degree divided by feed into depth of cut. So 2 mm multiplied by 0.1 mm. So finally tau s is coming out to be as 392.23 megapascal. 392.23 megapascal. Keep in mind this is in Newton, these are in mm. So I will be getting the answer in Newton mm square, which is basically megapascal. So I am going to feed the value here 392.23 and yes, this is my final answer. अगर आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया तो जस्ट लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस क्वेश्चन feel free to write it in the comment section and I will be personally answering all your comments. Guys, with that note, I will be ending this video and very soon I will be coming with more videos in this series. But before I go, I would like to inform you that Unacademy students have really shown the true efforts of the educators as well as the learners on the Unacademy Learning app, and they have performed beautifully in the GATE 2021 exam. In mechanical stream alone, 5 students are there in the top 100 rankers. In PIE, 10 students are there in the top 100 rankers, and in XE, Engineering Sciences paper also, 10 students are there in the top 100 ranks. We are not like other educational institutions who show fake ranks. Unacademy has always been very genuine with students. Guys, if you also want to be a part of this Unacademy elite groups, then go on, take the Plus subscription. You will be getting all the benefits of live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, English Hindi batches as well as rank improvement batches. You can go further ahead and take on the iconic subscription, which will have all the benefits of Plus, and you will be getting a personal course, study planning sessions, study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, preparatory study material. These are the subscription fees. The 1 month subscription costs 5,500 and it goes all the way to the 24-month subscription, which costs 44,000. But remember, if you will use the referral code MMM10, please remember the code MMM10 because this is a coupon code which can fetch you a discount of 10% on the subscription fees. Your subscription fees will go down by 10% immediately. And same is valid for the Iconic also. The 12-month and 24 subscriptions on the application of MMM10 code will go down by 10% and you will be benefited deeply. So guys, I Manish Mishra sign off now, and please remember that I go every day live on this very YouTube channel and the GATE 2022 K2K batch at 9 p.m. So if you want to watch, just enroll on this Telegram group channel and you will get all the notifications of my classes. Thank you all for watching my content. Please don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will be very thankful. Bye bye, take care, enjoy.